I've noticed something about people who are really good at running their lives. They're ruthless about what they keep on their plate and what they hand off. Your time is the one thing you can't get back. You know that. You act on it everywhere else. You're not doing your own taxes. You're not mowing your own lawn. You've built systems, hired help, figured out what's worth your hours and what isn't. But then the weekend comes and you're scrubbing a bathroom. There's nothing wrong with it, but there's also nothing about it that requires you specifically. It's one of the last things on your list that you haven't made the call on yet. That's what ProTouch is for. We handle recurring cleaning for homeowners across the Treasure Valley. Boise, Meridian, Eagle, Nampa. Consistent crews, consistent results. Your home is clean when it needs to be without it landing on you. New recurring clients, weekly or bi-weekly, get their first clean for $99. If this is the one thing you haven't delegated yet, this is the call to make. Link below.